Hello everybody. So in this video we're going to be talking about some troubleshooting tips for the new video conferencing setup here in the Calapooia room. So some of these tips are going to just simply include ensuring that you have the right things selected for your microphone, your speakers, and your video input. So all of those options are going to be down here. So the first one you'll want to click on is you'll go to this mute button. You click this little arrow in the corner. And so here you'll select your microphone. This is where you want to make sure that you have this echo canceling speakerphone selected. This is a new feature in this room, and it is that panel right there up on the ceiling right there. That is now a microphone for the room. So it is what you would use for your microphone in this room to make sure that the people in the video can hear you. And as you can see, now that that is selected, the Zoom call is now receiving an input on the other end. So there you go. That's the microphone. And then you'll go back here and you want to make sure that your speaker, so that you can hear the other end of the Zoom call, you'll want to make sure that you have this Crestron high definition audio device, this right here. You'll want to make sure that is selected as your speaker. That will ensure that you can hear the people on the other end of the phone, on the other end of the video conferencing call. Now for your video output, you want to make sure that you'll do the same thing. You'll go to the stop video button, click the arrow in the corner, and your options will pop up here. You'll want to make sure you have USB capture HDMI selected. This will ensure that these various different options here in the video conferencing button are your options for your screen, for your video. That way, this is what is selected. So now that that's working, you should be able to select and move around for what video options you need. So right now I have the back camera selected, but say I wanted to switch to the front camera, I just hit the front camera button and you'll see that that changes to another video option here in this room. So it changes from the back camera to the front camera. You can also select your HDMI input if you have something plugged into the smart console or the document camera, or any of these options. So these troubleshooting tips are outlined here for people who are using this room. If none of this works, they will be going up to the information desk to ask about that. And if all of these troubleshooting tips have already been done and it is still not working, we will need to call UCS and have somebody come down here and figure out what's going on, because it's usually something more complicated after that.